Hello and welcome to day 1 of your phonics lesson for the week of April 20th, 2020. This week we'll review high frequency words, prefixes, and homophones. All right, let's start with day 1. Remember, for our lessons in phonics, you'll need a piece of paper and a writing utensil when you work on phonics. Any piece of paper and any writing utensil will help. Thank you. We're going to start with our high frequency word warm-up. And remember, this is where I say it. We both say it together, and then we spell it out loud. And then you are going to write it on your paper. And remember, if I get a little fast, don't you worry, just pause it. And then you can start up whenever you are ready. Okay? Here's our first word. Say it. Point. Spell it. P-O-I-N-T. Write it. Say it. Page. Spell it. P-A-G-E. Write it. Say it. Letter. Spell it. L-E-T-T-E-R. Write it. Say it. Change. Spell it. C-H-A-N-G-E. Write it. Say it. Mother. Spell it. M-O-T-H-E-R. Write it. Say it. Answer. Spell it. A-N-S-W-E-R. Write it. Say it. Found. Spell it. F-O-U-N-D. Write it. Say it. Study. Spell it. S-T-U-D-Y. Write it. Say it. Still. Spell it. S-T-I-L-L. Write it. Say it. Learn. Spell it. L-E-A-R-N. Write it. Okay, thanks for your hard work today. Those were high frequency words that we might find easier to read than to spell. I hope you have a terrific day. Bye.